Welcome to Digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about top 5 best embroidery machines for beginners. Embroidery is an art form that combines creativity with precision. For beginners, selecting the right embroidery machine is crucial for a smooth start in this journey. The main objective of this guide is to highlight the top embroidery machines for those new to this craft, ensuring a balance of functionality, ease of use, and affordability. Let's explore the best options available to help you create stunning embroidery projects with confidence. 1. Brother SE600. The Brother SE600 is a versatile embroidery and sewing machine ideal for beginners. It comes with a 4 inches x 4 inches embroidery field and an intuitive color touchscreen, making it easy to preview designs before stitching. With 80 built-in designs and 103 sewing stitches, the SE600 offers ample creative possibilities. Its USB port enables users to import custom designs, providing flexibility for personalized projects. This machine stands out for its user-friendly features, making it a top pick for novice embroiderers. 2. Janome MemoryCraft 400E. The Janome MemoryCraft 400E is a high-quality embroidery-only machine designed to make embroidery simple and enjoyable. It features a large embroidery field of 7.9 inches x 7.9 when not perfect for larger designs. With 160 built-in designs and 6 fonts for monogramming, this machine is ideal for creating intricate projects. Its automatic thread cutter and advanced editing features make it a reliable option for beginners seeking a more professional finish. 3. Singer Legacy SE300. The Singer Legacy SE300 is a modern, sleek embroidery and sewing machine that caters to beginners and hobbyists. It offers a large embroidery area of 10.25 inches x 6 inches and comes with 200 built-in embroidery designs and 6 alphabet options. The machine's high stitching speed of 800 stitches per minute ensures efficient project completion. Features like automatic needle threading and an easy-to-use LCD screen make it a beginner-friendly choice. Brother PE800. The Brother PE800 is an embroidery-only machine highly recommended for those focusing solely on embroidery. It features a 5 inches x 7 inches embroidery field, providing extra space for larger designs. With 138 built-in designs and 11 lettering fonts, it's perfect for beginners interested in creating diverse projects. The machine's color touchscreen allows users to easily customize designs and preview them before stitching. Its advanced yet straightforward features make embroidery accessible to all skill levels. 5. Eversewn Hero. The Eversewn Hero is a compact and affordable embroidery and sewing machine perfect for beginners on a budget. It offers a 4.75 inches x 7 inches embroidery area and includes 400 plus stitch patterns and 40 built-in embroidery designs. The machine also supports USB design import, allowing for endless creative opportunities. Lightweight and easy to use, the Eversewn Hero is an excellent entry-level machine for those starting their embroidery journey. Key considerations for beginners. When choosing an embroidery machine, beginners should focus on ease of use, versatility, and available features. Machines with built-in designs, USB connectivity, and intuitive interfaces are highly recommended for a hassle-free experience. It's also essential to consider the machine's embroidery field size, as this determines the scope of projects you can undertake. Conclusion. Starting with the right embroidery machine can make a world of difference in your crafting journey. Each of these 5 machines offers unique features that cater to beginners, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience. Whether you're looking for versatility, precision, or affordability, there's an option here to suit your needs. If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. Provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.